Hey everybody, this is Zach from Myshire Farm, and I'm just doing a quick update today. So, if you've been following us, I've been doing a All About the Colors playlist, and we've talked about the Jumbo Wilds and Jumbo Whites and Jumbo White-Winged Pharaohs and so on. I didn't really think about it, but they're all out of stock on our website. So my phone and email has been blown up on when they'll be available. So I'm doing an update to let you know when our Jumbos are back on the website. Going forward, every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we go live on YouTube to do a live Q&A every Sunday. Now, at the beginning of every live Q&A going forward, I will be doing an availability update. So for example, if we sell out again and they become out of stock, every Sunday at 7 p.m. I'm going live on YouTube and I'll be doing the availability update. We'll be posting the live video once we're done, so you can check it if you can't reach the live show. So our Jumbo Egyptians, our Sex Links, and our Jumbo White-Winged Pharaohs will be available to purchase on our website, myshirefarm.com, this coming up Monday, July 27th at 1 p.m. Now, we are going to be setting parameters on our website, so once we sell 2 weeks worth of eggs, it'll automatically shut off for us, and it'll automatically say out of stock. So keep that in mind. They go very, very fast. But Sex Links, Jumbo Egyptians, and Jumbo White-Winged Pharaohs will be July 27th, this coming up Monday at 1 p.m. You can purchase on the website. Our Jumbo Wilds will be available to purchase on our website August 1st, a week from today. It'll be, or a week from tomorrow, I'm sorry. It'll be next Saturday, August 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will be putting them back on our website. We're also going to be putting in the parameters for a 2-week worth of eggs. Now, I get over 600 jumbo eggs a day, but believe me, they go very, very fast. So keep that in mind. Our Jumbo Whites are going to be off our website for a few weeks. There's some orders that came up that I didn't realize. So we're about 2 to 3 weeks out on our Jumbo Whites, but I will keep you posted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on our YouTube channel. I will also on Monday be taking off our Pansies and Sparklies because it is time to get the next generation in there, so I need to use some eggs to hatch them out. So again, you can get better updates and weekly updates every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're watching this right now, stay tuned, because right after this, I'm going to be doing a video on the SSCs, the Schofield Silver Collection. So stay tuned. Thanks. Have a great day. Stay safe.